Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make a color image into black and white. There is multiple ways to make it, but I'll show totally different way which is not common but very effective to make black and white image. Let's begin. Go to image and then calculations. You see, once the calculation is selected, the image turned into black and white. There is a blending option. You simply select on them. If you keep hovering, you see the impacts. So I am selecting multiply for now, and from the result section click the new channel and then OK. Now we need to go to the channel panels. We have the channel panel over here. If you miss the channel panel, go to window and there is a channels. Now from channel panel, press Ctrl from keyboard and click on the alpha 1. Now from keyboard, press Ctrl A, then Ctrl C and go to the layer panel. Take a new layer, press Ctrl V from keyboard. You see the black and white image is pasted. This is how you can make the color image into black and white. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe my channel and comment on the video. Thank you very much.